It's very common to do your research before buying a boat. There are many factors to consider, like what boat to buy and what dealership to visit. Let's go over the questions to ask yourself before deciding if a boat is in your future. First, ask yourself why you want a boat. Most boats have a certain specialization like surfing, skiing, cruising, or fishing. You may want a boat for small inland lake boating or a boat for larger bodies of water. Finding the answers to this question can help you narrow down your online search or help the salesperson narrow down the selection of boats. Next is service and maintenance. The purchase of your boat is not the final cost in the buying process. You'll want to consider things like annual service, storage, and winterization of your boat. You'll want to ask your salesperson what kind of maintenance is typically seen on this type of boat you're looking to buy. Different boats will require different maintenance depending on the type of boat, the type of motor, and the use of the boat. Make sure this is within your budget so you can enjoy your time on the water. You'll need to decide where you're going to keep the boat when you're not using it. No matter if you're in the northern or southern states, your boat will need a place to stay. Some boaters will keep their boat on their own property on a lift or a hoist, while others will rent a slip to keep the boat in. Northern state boat buyers will need to consider longer storage solutions for the winter months, and many dealerships also offer storage agreements that customers can utilize. It's best to ask yourself where you'll be keeping your boat before you buy. Next, you'll want to ask if the boat's warranty is transferable. Knowing whether the warranty is transferable is important for a few different reasons. The first reason applies if you're looking to buy a used boat. Knowing that you can transfer the warranty from the previous owner to you, make sure that if you have any issues, the manufacturer will support you. For those purchasing a new boat, it's good to know if the warranty is transferable, because if you were to decide to sell the boat and the warranty can be transferred, it will help your boat hold a high resale value. Any boat that you're looking to purchase, whether new or used, has an odometer, keeping track of the number of hours it's been used. The higher the number of hours a motor has on it, the larger the chance of potential problems occurring and poor performance. Similar to a car, you'll want to ask how many owners the boat has had. This will help you know how much usage the boat has had on it and whether the warranty can be transferred or not. Another great question to ask your salesman or seller is how the boat is set apart from the competition. They'll be able to highlight what sets this boat apart from the competition and why this boat would be a great choice for you and your family. At Action Water Sports, we pride ourselves in having some of the best premium manufacturer partnerships. From Mastercraft towboats to Barletta pontoons, Cobalt bow riders, and Crest pontoons, there's no shortage of great boats at our dealerships. Depending on the availability and weather, a question you might want to ask is if you can test drive the boat. During your test drive, you'll truly be able to feel the performance of the boat and how it handles on the water. You'll also gain peace of mind that your boat will have a trouble-free experience upon taking that first delivery. Next, you should ask your salesman or the seller where the boat's service has typically been done, especially if you plan on buying a used boat. Service performed at a certified dealer such as Action Water Sports verifies that the boat is in good health. It also means that there's a record of the service done, which allows you to know everything about the boat. If service has not been done at a certified dealer, you risk dealing with issues with the boat down the road. Lastly, you'll want to know if your current vehicle can tow a boat. Depending on the weight of the boat and the trailer, you may not be able to tow it with your vehicle. Check your vehicle's towing capacity before deciding on a boat. If your vehicle is not capable of towing, look into what delivery and transportation could look like. At Action Water Sports, we offer pickup and delivery services year-round. When you have the answers to these questions, you're one step closer to creating memories out on the water with your family. With this information, you and your family will know exactly what boat you want and how to prepare for it. As always, thanks for watching, and for more information about boating, please reach out to your local Action Water Sports. We'll see you on the water.